Hey everyone. So today I have got my final Leither box. I had to kind of put this on hold for a while. Um, I might go back to it. I don't know. But as of right now, no. So I've seen that everyone else has opened up theirs, and I can't watch their videos yet because I want to be surprised. Um, like everyone else when they open up their box. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Reminds me of like the lavender. I am still trying to get used to these headphone thingies. Ooh, oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're kind of stuck here. There we go. Look at that blues and grays. Okay, so this is Wonderland, 100% superwash merino, 400 yards, 100 grams. Oh, I love the superwash merino. Oh my gosh, so soft. And I love the colors. Look at that. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. All right, we'll set that to the side. Let's take a look at the, oh, that's new that they're doing. The stitch marker. That's cute. That is really cute. Okay, we'll take a look at the hook here in a second. So you can do socks. And it looks like leg warmers. Okay, so you can do leg warmers or socks. Really cute. So Alice in Wonderland, I guess, is what that was being based on. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, well, yeah, look at that. That's adorable. That should have told me right there. All right. So that's what the little girl is, the Alice in Wonderland. Cute. Okay. Let's put this back and let's take a look at the hook. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's pretty. And we are using, looks like a 4.5, but I want the camera to focus. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of hard to see, but it is a 4.5. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So, yeah, instead of paying $35, now it's $45, so I've kind of got it put on hold, but, oh, isn't that gorgeous? And don't get me wrong, I think it's worth the money. I mean, you get a lot of yarn, plus you get a hook. You get two, I've never used their patterns, but you get 2 patterns. And then you also get your stitch marker. So, I'm not saying that it's not worth it. It's just, for me right now, it's not worth it, if that makes sense. So maybe one day I'll go back, to the subscriptions, but yeah. I love it though. Those are some really pretty blues. And the grays. I absolutely love the grays. Yeah, so pretty. Alright, so that is, like I said, my final Leither. I hope you guys liked it. I know I did. Wow, gorgeous. I mean, what a definite color to end on for sure. Hey, and Laura, it's not green, it's blue. May not be orange, but it's not green. All right, you guys, I am going to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you all, and as always, don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.